Hi folks, January 2nd, 2019. Happy New Year everybody. We just wanted to make a quick little video telling you guys what we found on the side of the road today. One man's trash can be another man's treasure. And we took a trip into town to get a couple of groceries and other miscellaneous things. That is inevitable in this consumer society today. Anyway, we found a nice cedar post along with a used cattle panel on the side of the road. Now, cedar doesn't like to rot very easily. It's, you can put it in the ground. It's one of the best natural woods to use as a poster or put on the ground, and it won't rot. So that's beneficial in pretty much any context around here. And this cattle panel, we can use this as a low tunnel. Maybe cut it in half, use it as a low tunnel, bend it over, put some poly over it, or you can use it somehow. Plus, it was just sitting on the side of the road, and that's no good. We don't want to condone trash and all that stuff. Anyway, also we found, we stop whenever we go into Middlebury, which is the town that we go into. We try to make it the trip worthwhile. So whether that means going to the grocery store and looking for buckets at the bakeries and the deli counters, or maybe going to the floral section and seeing if they have any extra planters, or going to the local roastery and seeing if there's any burlap sacks that we can use for, sometimes we'll cut those up when we use them for food storage, or we'll use them in the garden as weed barriers, kind of mulches, or put them on walkways. In this instance though, we stopped by, there's a place that makes toys, wooden toys from, I believe it's native Vermont lumber. Either way though, it's all quality, dry, hardwood. And some of the pieces are a little wonky, they have fun shapes and stuff, and then some of them are nice blocky like this. Some of them are pieces like this. This looks like pine. Either way, it's nice and dry. Some pieces are like that are really good for kindling. So we'll use these for either small projects like making herb drying racks. This would be pretty ideal for that. Or we'll use it as kindling. So it's just it's a fun way to go around and see what you can do to make the most of the use of your fossil fuels. Everybody, not everybody, but a lot of people will make a trip out and then they realize they have to go out again, and then maybe they'll go out again the next day, or it's just nice to really think about the embedded energy that travel takes up, and what you can do to help your planet, help yourself, and maybe even benefit a little bit from it, all in one fell swoop. So thanks for watching, and subscribe for more uses on trash or any other tips and tricks and gardening info. Thanks a lot, guys. Happy New Year.